Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is HG Update. So in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in Mantra Season 2 airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a share from the 50 million OM gain drop token that they are going to distribute. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step guide on how to participate. So this video is mainly for both new and old. So the old users were those that participated in the gas tax. So 3 months ago I made a video on how to participate in Mantra Airdrop, Mantra token airdrop guide on gas. So the first campaign was those that participated in the Mantra gas tax. So you can see a snapshot of the season 1 leader board on gas is already taken. So those of you that participated in the Mantra Airdrop campaign on gas, congratulations. So now guys, they have started their season 2 airdrop campaign. First mission is going to end on the 27th of this month, which is July 2024. So at the time of making this video, today's date is 20th. So we have like 1 week to go. So we have 1 week to go, and you need to perform this mission before that day. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. So for you to get started, what you need is either a Leap wallet or a Kepler wallet. So I'm going to use Kepler wallet to show you guys how to navigate around this airdrop campaign. So this is the official S account. So for you to get started, you need to visit mantra.zone. So I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video, and you need to get a faucet from their Discord group. I'm also going to drop this link at the description of this video. So now what you just need to do is to visit this site. All right, before you visit the site, make sure to get a Kepler wallet. Both old and new into Mantra airdrop campaign can participate in it. So make sure to get a Kepler wallet, or you can get a Leap wallet. If you don't know how to get this wallet, you can check on YouTube to see how to get a Leap wallet or a Kepler wallet. Now what you just need to do is to visit mantra.zone. So now for those of you that want to use your mobile phone, you can download Mrs. browser or Yandex browser to participate in this campaign. So now what you just need to do is to link your wallet. Okay, link wallet, click on link wallet. You can select Leap wallet or you can select Kepler wallet. But since I have Kepler wallet, I'm going to select Kepler wallet. Alright guys, so your Leap wallet or your Kepler wallet is going to pop up. If you are using your mobile phone, be it Mrs. browser or Yandex, it's going to direct you to your Kepler wallet. So now what you just need to do is to click on approve. Alright guys, so your wallet is going to pop up again for you to approve transaction. So you click approve. Alright guys, you can see on the screen connected to Kepler. Now what you just need to do is to open your wallet. For those of you using Leap wallet, you can try to navigate it yourself, maybe using this Kepler guide. So now you open your Kepler wallet, you click here. So what you just need to do is to click on manage chain visibility. Then it's going to take you to this page. So now what you just need to do is to search for Mantra. All right, this is it. This is Mantra. You click here, you tick it, then you click on save. All right, done. So now let's open our Kepler wallet again. So we are adding the network to our wallet. Right, so you can see OM. So this is for Mantra wallet OM. So this is how to add the Mantra network to your device. So now make sure it is connected. Now what you just need to do is to visit their Discord group. So like I said, I'm going to drop it at the description of this video, or you can just bring it down. If you are already on the Mantra.zone website, bring it down. You are going to see a Discord sign. What you just need to do is to click on it. Then it's going to open a new page for you. If you are using mobile phone, please make sure to set it on desktop site so that you will enjoy using it. So now what you just need to do is to just click on accept invite. So wait for it to process. Opening Discord app, it's going to show you something like this. You can click skip. Yeah, check your DM for blah blah blah. You click finish. Then What you just need to do is to click on verify. Now what you need to do is to click on verify. Okay, click me to verify. You already have an account. Click me to verify. Right, I trust this. Make sure to verify. Alright, so done. So now you go back here. Alright, done. You can see on the screen verification successful on Mantra chain. In case you not see hung by faucet around here, you just click on channels and row. I think here I'm a developer. Yeah, become a validator. Okay, so browse channel. Let's see browse channel. Browse channel. Alright, browse channel. Click on browse channel, then bring it down. So in case those of you that are not going to see hung by faucet, what you need to do is to click here. Yeah, hung by faucet. Alright, so look at hung by faucet here. So you click on hung by faucet. I'm going to show you something like this. Okay, I've already verified. Now what you just need to do is to put down this sign. So make sure to put down this sign and type faucet using small letter. Sorry, type request. Type request. Now give it space. Now what you just need to do is to go back to the Mantra.zone site and you click here. Make sure to click here, or you can open your Kepler wallet and go and copy your Mantra address, but I'm just going to copy it from here. So you just click here and you copy wallet address. So copy wallet address, visit the Discord again. After giving it space, you paste the address. So after pasting the address, what you need to do is to click on enter. Alright, so waiting. And see Gabriel. So they are going to bring out a form like this. What you need to do is to repaste your address here. Then you click on submit. Alright guys, done. Now what you need to do is to observe it here. Let's see if I've gotten it. Zero balance. Now I'm going to refresh this page to see if I've gotten the 0.2 OM faucet. After that, you click here. You're going to see your share of 0.2 OM. After claiming your 0.2 OM, you wait for 24 hours. Exactly this time of claiming the 0.2 OM, you still visit the Discord group and claim another 0.2 OM. So you need to do this for 5 days. So I'm going to post this video today. I'm going to make sure I post this video today because you need 1 OM for you to stake for this first time, and the deadline is on the 27th of this month. So you can see it here. For you to pledge your OM, you're going to see it started on the 17th of this month and it's going to end on the 27th of this month, which is July at this time. So what you just need to do is to take a minimum of 1 Testnet OM token in a single transaction with one of the Mantra validator. Watch it grow. I'm going to show you guys how you can go about it. So you can use here as guide. For those of you using Leap Wallet, your wallet, to use Leap Wallet is not hard. What you don't need to do, create a Leap Wallet. After getting the faucet and you have added the network, you just need to go and look for stake. Then you can stake. For those of you that already have one OM, that is the Mantra token. So another way you can get Mantra token is by opening multiple accounts and multiple Discord accounts using different address. So like now I'm operating with two different accounts on Mantra Airdrop campaign. Now if I request for my second account, I'm going to send it to my first account, making it 0.4 Mantra. So I don't know if you understand, but I'm not going to do it because I still have enough time to claim Mantra faucets. You can just open multiple accounts with different Discord accounts, and you can request. Then at the end, you send. Maybe you open your like you open your Kepler wallet, copy the address, that is your main account address. Look for OM, click on OM. You just click on send, paste the address, send. If there's a memo, fine. If there's not a memo, you click next. Then you're good to go. So this is how you can go about it, but currently guys I'm not going to do that because I still have 7 days to go. Sorry, I have 6 days to go. So within this period I will surely accumulate 1 OM. So after getting or accumulating up to 1.1 OM token, because they are going to charge you for the transaction, OM token, 1.1 OM token or so, what you just need to do now is to open your wallet. So I'm talking to those of you using Leap Wallet now. If you open your wallet, you just click on the OM. Now you're going to see the option for you to stake. What you just need to do is to click on stake. You select any validator of your choice, then you just stake your OM token. Then you're good to go. Okay, so for those of you using Kepler wallet, you cannot stake direct with the Kepler wallet. What you just need to do, so according to them, yeah, click on this first tax. If you bring it down, so this is guide for you to stake. If you bring it down using an explorer, visit the Mantra Hongbai Explorer art. So you visit here. I'm going to drop all the link at the description of this video. Alright, so visit this site. Alright, so Mantra pledge. So if you visit this site, connect your wallet and click validate. Alright guys, so it's going to bring you to this page. Now what you don't need to do, for those of you using mobile phone, don't forget to set it on desktop site. So now you click on this wallet sign, then you click on connect wallet. I'm going to select Kepler, then click on connect. Your Kepler wallet is going to open for you to approve. Yeah, done. Now what you don't need to do is to click on delegate. So after that, you're going to see sender, you're going to see validator. Alright, so let's select validator and select any validator here. Alright, so you don't need to select validator. I'm looking for one, stake Zito or something like that. Yeah, stake Zito. So select this, then after that you just put down the amount that you want to stake, 1. So the minimum for you to stake is 1 above. So once you get the 1 above, then after that you just click on send, then you are good to go. Approve the transaction from your Kepler wallet. You are good to go. So this is how to stay positioned for the first tax season 2 Mantra Airdrop campaign. So after staking, I think they're going to give you 5 karma or so. Yeah, I'm going to give you 5 karma. This is balance request. This has already started, so we are just here for the season 2. So they're going to give you 5 karma. Alright, so according to them, complete mission and get a head start on the season 2 leader board. Early participants on Mantra Zone will receive exclusive. So this is what you need to know. On minute, the exact date will be announced when claim airdrop for gas to be announced soon. So guys, this is what you need to do. Then if you claim it, you're going to get invest in this. For now, this is the only task I do. If there's another new task, I'm going to make a video about it, showing you guys how to participate in it. Make sure to stay tuned to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be updated on anything relating to Mantra. And for those of you that are airdrop lovers, you can check my channel, visit AG Updates, check my channel to see if you can participate in some airdrop campaign to save position for some massive reward. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.